Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be Ryzen 7 2700X along with 1660 Super build. Let me take you through all the components and their pricing before I go ahead and build a PC. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below, so do check the link in the description box because the prices may change in future. I'll also be talking about why I have used this case and this component setup so you can understand how to select a component for your PC. So starting with the processor, I've selected here a Ryzen 7 2700X. Yes, the box is black and gold in color because this is the 50th anniversary of AMD, and that's the processor what we have. In the month of July, AMD had their 50th anniversary. So yeah, at that point of time this was selling at premium price, but today the 2700X and the gold edition is at same price, so we have selected the 2700X gold edition. This is available for 20,500 rupees. Talking about the cabinet, yeah, let me discuss about it. This is available for 5,000. This is MSI 010M. This is an RGB case, but in front you don't get the RGB fans. You have to buy it additionally. It comes with only one fan at the rear. That's the only cons I would say. Rest, it comes with tempered, it comes with RGB, it comes with good airflow as mentioned on the box, the brand box. So also, I mean, 5,000 you can probably get a different brand cabinet with multiple fan, maybe front glass or more beautiful cabinet. But trust me, when someone will walk inside your room and see a PC with a case where the case is MSI, you get it, what impact it will give. It's a premium thing which I would recommend if in case I'm building a PC for myself. I would not go for a lot of stuff, I'll go for the premiumness of. So I think MSI, of course, they don't have to talk about the quality. It's a famous brand, available for 5,000. But yeah, again, 5,000 if in case you spend on any other brand, you can get a lot better. Talking about the motherboard, one of the best motherboard I have ever liked, the Tomahawk, and now the Tomahawk is Max, so I'll just show it to you. So this is B450 Tomahawk Max, and it comes with the 3rd generation support out of the box, but we are using 2700X, available for 10,000 rupees only. It's a very good VRM if in case you want to overclock. It is one of the suitable, and approx 10,000 is what you have to pay for this build. This is really suitable motherboard for this build, so we're gonna consider the Tomahawk Max. For RAM, we have got G.Skill Ripjaws 3200 MHz 8x2. This is available for 5,600 rupees. Let me tell you, the RAM prices are increasing and decreasing day by day, so make sure you don't check the price which is mentioned on the video. Go to the link and check the latest price if in case you're watching the video in future. For 2 RAM, it is 16 GB, which is 8x2, 3200 MHz. Yes, I strongly recommend to go for higher frequency RAM, 3000 or 3200 for PC if in case you are building a Ryzen PC. As 3000 and 3200, the difference was not much, so 3200 I've selected. If there is a lot of difference in price between 3000 and 3200, then you can consider 3000 MHz RAM. So 3200, 2900 each. That's a sweet deal, I would say. For graphic card, we have got Inno3D. This is 1660 Super, available for 18,500. That was a really great deal when it is recently launched. So 18,500, other brands are offering at higher price, so 18,500 was a good deal. It comes with dual fan, 3-year warranty, and 18,500 1660 Super is not a bad deal. So yeah, Inno3D is a good brand, and you can go to Wikipedia to check more. Very nice, trusted brand. Don't worry, you can go ahead. For power supply, we have got Entech 650 watt bronze semi-modular power supply. The reason behind selecting bronze power supply, because this is available for 4,400 rupees, and that too a semi-modular. The non-modular, which is the white series, if in case you go with any other brand, you can go ahead and check on our website techmartunbox.com. That would cost you approx 4,000 rupees. Spending 400 rupees more getting the bronze does make sense, and also it is semi-modular, so 4,400 rupees for this beautiful power supply, and it is required to run this PC 650 watt. For SSD, we have got WD 240GB RAM. This is M.2 SSD. The normal and M.2 prices are similar. This is for 2400 rupees, and I've not selected a premium SSD as we have a limited budget. So processor, motherboard, and RAM and GPU, we have taken the priority, and then we have got this. If in case you have more budget, I would strongly recommend to go with NVMe SSDs. Now, if in case you're planning to buy NVMe, consider Samsung NVMe SSDs only. Samsung SSDs are the best SSD which are available in the market as per my opinion. So yes, just go ahead and consider Samsung if in case you have a lot of budget or a piece like more than this. So but again, WD is also not a bad one. According to the budget, 2400 to 40GB, a great deal. All the prices at today's price. So do consider to check the link in the description box below. I'll share the Amazon and our website, both the links, so you can compare the prices, and also make sure today's price, you know, it may be different. In website we have the latest price. So yeah, this is the SSD. And we are not adding any hard drive to this PC because the customer already has a hard drive which he will install himself. So what we are doing here, we are just building the PC, we'll install the OS and we'll ship it to the customer. He is from Madhya Pradesh, by the way. So this is all about the component. Let's just go ahead and begin the PC build. If in case you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below, or you can visit our website, go to contact us page. There is a phone number, the timings are mentioned there. You can call between that time. Someone from techmartunbox.com will address your query. So let's begin with the PC build. The stock cooler comes with pre-applied thermal paste. You don't have to add additionally. Alright, so we're done with the PC build and the price is approx 66,000 rupees. Yes, in 66,000 rupees you have got 8 core 16 thread processor along with 1660 super, 3200 megahertz RAM, that is 16 GB, and the premium looking case. So pretty much decent deal for 66,000 rupees. So yeah, that's about the video. I hope you have liked it. Do let me know in the comment box below if you have any questions. And yes, the prices are for today's, which I have mentioned in the video. If in case you want to check the latest price, check the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. And so don't forget to follow us on Instagram for latest update about our channel. So yeah, pretty much we are done with this build. Thank you for watching till the end. Once again, thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.